In this lesson, going back to the snap, and here is the intersection snap. The intersection snap is just for a spline. If you, for example, have two spline here, sorry for deactivate the guide snap. Going to the model mode, and model mode here we have two spline with holding control and drag copy them. They are exactly on them. Just we have to exactly on the same direction. As you can see, they are not in 3D, just exactly on them. To the software recognize the intersection. Okay, and now, for example, the software define these intersections, and you can draw, for example, start from here somewhere in the space, and as you can see, we have to first activate that, and you can simply, as you can see, it says intersection snap, and you can intersection between two splines. So remember that it's just for a spline. It does not work for example, polygons. Going in the polygon, here we have intersect. For example, drawing does not work here. You can snap drawing or polygon or axis or anything to this intersection. For example, drawing, inserting a sphere and click and drag. As you can see, it's axis snap to the intersection. So, as I said before, you can snap anything in the software to intersections if you enable that.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.
Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So, we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use royal version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.